In this video, I want to tell you how to make an object move along the path it made with the pen tool. Here I have imported the required files. I hide some image files that are not needed first. Select the object file. Move the anchor point to the back of the object. Activate the pen tool. Make sure the fill section is off and activate stroke. Draw a line as you need it. Expand Shape Layer 1. Contents, Shape 1. Copy the path. Then paste it in the position setting on the object. After that, activate the stopwatch in the rotation setting. Set the direction of the object according to its movement, so that the video duration is not too long. Then I skip it when setting the rotation on the object. After setting the rotation on the object, go back to Shape Layer 1. Expand the stroke setting. On the line cap, I changed it to round cap. Click the plus icon in the dash section to make the path display dashed lines. Here I will also change the color of the lines. In the dash value, I change it to 20. To add the dash lines animation coming out from behind, click Add Section. And then select Trim Path. Expand Trim Paths 1. Activate Stopwatch in the end section. Move the keyframe to the end, and then create a new keyframe. Change the end value to 0. Because the stroke is not thick enough, I changed it to 5px. If you want the dash lines to appear to have an end, then activate the stopwatch in the Start section. At the last keyframe, change the value to 100. Move the keyframes to 3 frames forward. And this is what the result looks like. Thanks for watching, and see you in another tutorial.